As opposition parties are going to meet the Prime Minister today and are going to be given a lowdown on details that are so far not in the public domain, spare a thought for the 20 soldiers who went down fighting at the Galwan Valley in Ladakh. The images you see right now are from Birbhum in West Bengal. This is the hometown of Rajesh Orang. Sipahi Rajesh Orang, extremely young, the sole bread earner of his family. In fact, his father is bedridden. He's survived by a mother and two younger sisters. Shreyasi, in fact, is live with us from the house of Rajesh Orang, an extremely poor family. The first boy from this family, Shreyasi, who got into the army, leaving behind two unmarried younger sisters. In fact, you've been reporting from there for the last 2 days, and just the images that we saw of the completely distraught family, their raw grief. Shreyasi.
Well, that's right, Padmaja. After a long wait, the family members of deceased Indian Army Jawan Rajesh Orang received the casket carrying his body wrapped in the tricolour. The parents...
Jai Nasib, Seal Silver, Fire, Sorab, Gun! भर के अवस्था तीन भर पेश कर जय नासिब सिलसिलवार फायर सरब कर भर के अवस्था तीन भर पेश कर जय नासिब सिलसिलवार फायर सरब कर भर की अवस्था खाली कर सम्मान परेड कांध साथ करेगा कांधे साथ शहीद सम्मान परेड सलामी साथ शहीद सम्मान परेड सम्मान परेड कंधे साथ करेगा आप कंधे साथ शहीद सम्मान परेड 20 जन
From across the country, Shirsi, each story is more heartbreaking than the next. Again, a case here of a very young boy from a very poor family finally making it and dying so soon.
Well, that's right. Rajesh Orang was only 26 years old. He had been commissioned in the Indian Army in 2015. In fact, he would be completing 5 years on the 27th of June. He was academically inclined. That's what his family members told us when we spoke to them. He always wanted to join the defense, and it was a dream come true when the second-year-old college boy had cleared the army exams and decided to join the Indian Army. He was the only person from his family to have cleared the Indian Army exam and joined the defense. The entire village has been extremely proud of Rajesh Orang's contribution to save his motherland. Everyone has been extremely proud, at the same time extremely sad to have lost their son. His cousin said that they received the call late on Monday night saying that he had succumbed to the injuries, and since then the family has been completely broken. He was the sole breadwinner of the family. He was supposed to come to his hometown in May, but because of the COVID-19 lockdown, he was unable to come. He was in touch with his family. He last spoke to his sister for about a minute and a half, where he asked if everyone in his family was fine. He wanted to speak to his mother, but his mother had gone to the bank and he never managed to have that last word with his mother. His father is ill and has been bedridden for long now. In fact, when Rajesh would come down for his leave here in the village, he would go to the farmland and help the family with farming. And he was very popular among his friends as well. And the entire village had gathered at the residence yesterday itself, preparing that farewell that they wanted to give Rajesh.
Yes.
And these are the pictures that we're getting in now from Mohammad Bazar in Birbhum district, the native village of Rajesh Orang. His mortal remains being laid to rest.
Truly heartbreaking, all of yesterday, to see the funerals of soldiers from Galwan, and it continues today as well. Terrible, terrible images. Thanks, Shirsi.